In the last 21 years, the RBI has given 4 full-fledged licenses for banks. Do you think in the manner in which the Indian economy is projected to grow, say 10 trillion by the next 10 years, by 2033, are we building enough of a financial sector infrastructure to be able to power the kind of growth the Indian economy is anticipating?
No, I must first compliment the RBI for a phenomenal job in the last 3 years. The way RBI has navigated India through these difficult times, we must compliment the regulator, particularly in the areas of monetary policy and macroeconomic stability. The RBI has also played a very significant role in the health of the Indian banking sector. So we must credit the RBI for dramatically and profoundly managing the Indian financial system to very stable shores. The question which we have to ask for the future, and this is not about the present or the past, is what are we doing for our aspiration? And this is where I think there is an opportunity for Indian practitioners, Indian bankers, Indian policymakers, all of them, to manage risks but get a little bolder. And what do we need to do to change the rules of the game? Yes, we want to minimize accidents on the road. The way to do it is to have better traffic signals, better supervision, better regulation. It is undoubtedly necessary. But along with that, we must encourage lot more cars on the road and lot more roads to be built for a future. And therefore, there are areas where we can do much better for our future.
But you don't want the traffic policeman to be telling the driver constantly on how to drive. Do you think there's too much interference and over-regulation on aspects of operations on the part of the RBI in the affairs of banks?
No, I think our RBI has an important role to do. Keep in mind, banks are much more leveraged institutions than most average companies. Banks can leverage 10, 12 times its equity. So there is a need for proper oversight. But how do you manage risk whereby you say, I want to minimize accidents, but we cannot get to a situation where there will be no accidents?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.